Hey there makers! Welcome back to Bitzilla, where we bring electronics to life. In today's tutorial we're starting with a classic Arduino project, the Blinking LED. It's perfect for beginners and a great way to learn how your Arduino board works. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you're into DIY robotics and Arduino projects. Here's what you'll need for this simple project. Arduino Uno board, a breadboard, jumper wires, LED, 220 ohm resistor, and of course a USB cable to connect your Arduino to your computer. Let's wire it up. First, place the LED on the breadboard and connect the long leg or the anode of the LED to a resistor. Then connect the other end of the resistor to pin 13 on the Arduino. Now connect the short leg or the cathode to ground. Now it's time to bring the LED to life with some code. Open up the Arduino IDE and type the following. This code turns the LED on and off every second. Simple and powerful. Now, let's break down the code. Void setup. This block runs once when the Arduino is powered on or reset. Think of it as the initial setup before the main program starts repeating. Pin mode 13 output. This line tells the Arduino that pin 13 will be used to send voltage out or output, not receive input. Since we're connecting the LED to pin 13, we need it to act like a power source. Void loop. This is the main loop of your program. Everything inside that loop will repeat forever as long as the Arduino is powered on. digitalWrite 13 high. This turns pin 13 on, which means it sends 5 volts. If an LED is connected correctly, it will light up. Delay 1000. This tells the Arduino to wait for 1000 milliseconds, or 1 second, before moving on. During this time, the LED stays on. digitalWrite 13 low. This turns pin 13 off, or 0 volts or ground. The LED then turns off. Delay 1000 again. Another 1 second pause, keeping the LED off before the next cycle starts. What happens overall? The LED turns on for 1 second, then turns off for 1 second, and this cycle repeats forever. You can change the timing by adjusting the delay values. Let me know if you'd like to see how to blink multiple LEDs or make them blink faster or slower using variables or buttons. Now, connect your Arduino, select the right board, and port from the Tools menu, and hit Upload. Boom! If everything is wired and coded correctly, your LED should be blinking just like this. And that's it. Your very first Arduino project is up and blinking. You've just taken your first step into the world of physical computing. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more beginner-friendly Arduino projects. And if you have any questions or ideas, drop them in the comments below. Check out the rest of our Arduino Playground playlist to keep building your skills. See you in the next project.